stop scrolling. I was just on Pinterest doing what I always do, looking for inspiration. And I fell down the rabbit hole of over 25 jeans ideas I had to share with you right away. Some of these are bold, some are classic, some feel like they walked straight out of a boutique. And all of them will make you look at an old pair of jeans and think, okay, I can turn that into something amazing. I've put the Pinterest board in the description so you can save it and come back to it anytime you need inspiration later on. And here's where it gets fun as you watch. I want you to vote for your favorite idea from the list in the comments. Once this video reaches 100 votes, I might recreate the winning idea and bring it to life my way. So don't just watch, pick your favorite, drop your vote, and let's see which idea takes the crown. And as you keep watching these jeans ideas, I just want to sit with you for a second and kind of take you back a little. Because if you really think about it, upcycling jeans isn't new at all. It just didn't used to have a name. A long time ago, people didn't think of clothes as something you replaced the moment they got a little worn. Jeans especially had a whole different life back then. They got softer, they got faded, they got patched, and somehow they became more yours the longer you wore them. And I don't know about you, but that brings back a certain kind of memory. That quiet, everyday creativity people didn't even realize they were doing. Before Pinterest, before DIY content, before it was ever a trend, people were already turning old denim into something useful again, cutting them down, adding fabric, changing the shape, making something new out of what was already there. It wasn't about being trendy or impressive. It was just about not wasting something that still had life left in it. And while you're here, I also want to let you know, I don't just do idea videos like this. I also make tutorial videos where I actually show you how to create some of these projects step by step, so you can follow along if something inspires you. So, as you're watching these jeans, I don't want you to think of them like projects in a modern sense. I want you to kind of see them the way they might have been seen back then, just possibilities sitting in front of you. An old pair of jeans wasn't the end of the story. It was just the starting point for something else. Something familiar, something useful, something personal. And maybe that's what makes this so nostalgic. The idea that creativity used to be slower, quieter, more hands-on. You didn't scroll for inspiration, you just looked at what you had and figured it out. And in a way, maybe that's what we're circling back to now.